Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. The National Institutes of Health calls it reminiscence therapy, the discussion of past activities and often the use of photographs to help with dementia or Alzheimer's disease. And there's evidence that browsing through photographs can help when it comes to the stress and loneliness many people have been experiencing. VividPix, a company that has created easy-to-use software using AI to help restore photos, has discounted the software and has offered free and low-cost classes. CEO Rick Voigt.
In this time where we are lonely, we wish we were spending more time with our loved ones. The ability for us to be able to use photographs to put ourselves in a better state of mind is quite impactful.
Find more at vivid-pix.com/reminisce. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Cooking with the power of the sun. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, here to tell you about the latest innovation from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. The GoSun Fusion has arrived using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. A really bright idea. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere, day or night, rain or shine. I love what Patrick and his team are doing, and so will you. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co to check out all of the company's products and innovations and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.